Okay, our next move is the intermediate second part of our strikes. Now, remember again, you gotta make sure you know your basic before we move on, because it's basically almost the same thing. We're gonna add two moves that you basically know, and one extra move. Start in a horse stance position, get right back in the fighting stance. Now, what we're gonna do is go into the simple up, strike it to your armpit, strike it out, come cross. Remember how we did that? But come back to your hip and come back. That's the extra move. Once you go across, hit it towards the other side and come back up. Again, from a horse stance, we're going to go back to a fighting stance. Go to simple up, side strike, front strike, side strike, hit the hip, come back. That's our extra move. The second move you already know, which is the footwork. We're going to go around the clock. We're going to go 12, to 3, to 6, back over to 9 o'clock, and to 12. Okay, so we're going to do it slowly for now. Simple up, side, front, hip here, hip the other side, back up. Then we're going to adjust. Go towards our right side to 3 o'clock, side, front, bring it back, cross, hit the other hip, come back. Again, you already know this, so this should be really easy. Front, cross, cross, towards hip, back up. Same thing over here. We're going to strike, side, front, strike, cross, towards the hip, come back. And of course, we're going to finish up at 12 o'clock, same thing. Front, cross, the extra move, come back. So the extra move should look like this. See? We're going to do it towards your left side, same thing. Left hand, we're going to go to the simple up, side, front, go cross, back at the hip, into simple. We're going to go at 9 o'clock, same thing. Side, front, cross the hip. Make sure you hit that hip over here. Don't hit yourself. Hit the hip around it, towards the other hip, and come back. Towards 6 o'clock, side, front, cross, the extra move, come back. Same thing over here, side, front, come back, cross, extra hip, come back. And of course, we're going to finish back at 12 o'clock. So these two moves you already know. The footwork, towards the other side, and then the extra move, which is the extra hip. So putting it all together should look like this. Front strike, the extra hip, come back. This moves right here will teach you being able to use the nunchucks while you're moving. So if you like, basically later on, you can move around using the same combination. Don't be limited to which way you can move. You can move the reverse direction. Remember the hand switch. You can reverse the switch. You're not limited, but your creativity. Enjoy and have fun. Okay, that wraps up our intermediate part of the single nunchucks. I want you to check this one out.